Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create reflection in After Effects. Creating a reflection effect in After Effects can add a polished and professional touch to your project, especially for text, logos, or any other objects you want to reflect on a surface. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a reflection. So first, import the object or create text that you want to reflect. Then position it in the composition where you want it to appear. Choose the layer you want to reflect, for example, text and the timeline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer. This duplicated layer will be used to create the reflection. With the duplicated layer selected, press S to bring up the scale properties. Unlink the scale dimensions by clicking the chain icon, and then change the Y scale value to -100%. This will flip the layer vertically, creating the base for your reflection. Use the selection tool, or by pressing V to drag the flipped layer down so that it aligns with the bottom of the original layer, simulating a reflection beneath it if needed. Now choose the flip reflection layer and use the rectangle tool, the Q, to draw a mask over the layer. The mask should cover the area where you want the reflection to appear. Press F to bring up the mask feather properties and increase the feathering to soften the edge of the reflection. This will help blend the reflection smoothly into the background, making it look more realistic. With the reflection layer selected, press T to bring up the opacity settings. Reduce the opacity to around 30 to 50%. Adjust the taste to make the reflection less intense, giving it a more subtle and realistic appearance. Now, let's add blur to the reflection. Go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian Blur. Increase the blurriness value slightly, around 5 to 15, to soften the reflection, adding to the realism by mimicking how reflections naturally lose sharpness on surfaces. Then just preview your composition. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.